Forget the hype around protein powders. Real food has all the muscle-building nutrients your body needs. By adding the right foods to your meals, you can fuel your body with what it truly needs to grow stronger and gain size. To build muscle properly, your diet must support both energy and recovery. This means eating foods rich in protein, healthy fats, and good carbs to power you through your workouts. In this video, we'll break down the 12 best foods that support muscle growth and strength. Stay tuned till the end. This list can change how you train and eat. Before we dive in, hit that like button. It really helps. Knowing what foods to eat can make a big difference in your results. If you want to build bigger and stronger muscles, training is only half of it. Lifting weights breaks down your muscle fibers, and your body needs to rebuild those fibers stronger than before. But that can't happen without the right nutrients. Without enough protein and proper nutrition, you might actually lose muscle instead of gaining it, even if you're working hard in the gym. Let's now go through the top 12 muscle-building foods. Eggs are one of the best sources of high-quality protein. They also contain healthy fats and key nutrients like B vitamins and choline. The protein in eggs supports strength and recovery, but it's not just the protein. The yolks also contain dietary cholesterol, which doesn't raise your blood cholesterol but helps keep your hormones balanced. Bodybuilders need healthy fats, especially in the bulking phase. The B vitamins in eggs help the body turn food into energy. Plus, eggs give you important minerals like zinc, iron, and calcium, all of which are important for muscle recovery. Lean beef is packed with protein, making it a top choice for building muscle. It's also rich in amino acids, vitamin B, and creatine, all of which support strength and growth. If you lift weights regularly, eating lean beef can help you see faster results. Choose lean cuts that support muscle growth without adding too many calories. Grass-fed beef has more CLA, conjugated linoleic acid, which helps reduce fat and boost muscle. It also contains saturated fats that support testosterone production, a key hormone for muscle building. Chicken breast and chicken is a great lean protein that fits into almost any diet. It's one of the highest protein meats out there. Just 3 ounces of chicken breast provides about 26 grams of quality protein. It also gives you B vitamins like niacin and B6, which support metabolism and energy during workouts. A high-protein diet that includes chicken can help you build muscle while also burning fat. It's a staple for anyone serious about fitness. Salmon supports both muscle growth and heart health. It's high in quality protein and loaded with omega-3 fatty acids like EPA and DHA. Omega-3s don't just support your heart, they also help with muscle protein synthesis. That means they boost your body's ability to use amino acids to grow and repair muscle. Eating salmon regularly can help maintain lean mass and reduce muscle breakdown after training. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is a favorite among those who lift heavy. It's rich in protein, especially casein, a slow-digesting protein that keeps amino acid levels high in your blood over time. Because casein digests slowly, it's ideal to eat before bed to support muscle repair while you sleep. It also prevents muscle breakdown overnight. Cottage cheese gives you a steady flow of nutrients when your body is in recovery mode. It's an ideal nighttime snack for muscle growth. Greek yogurt comes from the same source as cottage cheese milk, but it's strained to have more protein. It contains both fast-digesting whey and slow-digesting casein. This combo makes it great for muscle gain. Studies show that mixing fast and slow proteins helps increase muscle mass and strength. Greek yogurt has more protein than regular yogurt, with around 20 grams per serving compared to 16 grams. It's an easy way to add more protein to your day. Milk offers a powerful mix of protein, carbs, and fats, the essentials for muscle building. Like Greek yogurt, it contains both whey and casein, providing both quick and slow absorption. It also has glutamine and omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce muscle soreness and support growth. Drinking milk before or after a strength workout has been shown to increase muscle mass. It's an old-school favorite that still works. Brown rice. While it's lower in protein, around 5 grams per cup, brown rice is a great source of slow-digesting carbs. These carbs give you steady energy throughout your workout. That helps you train harder and longer, leading to more muscle gains. Brown rice provides the fuel you need for performance and recovery. Some studies also show that rice protein can be just as effective as whey protein when it comes to building muscle and resistance training. Quinoa protein is key, but carbs matter too. Quinoa is one of the best carbs you can eat when training hard. It's a complete protein that also gives you fiber and important minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. Quinoa supports insulin-like growth factors, which help your muscles grow and recover. The magnesium helps with muscle and nerve function too. It's one of the few plant foods that delivers a full nutritional profile for strength gains. Beans are versatile and full of muscle-supporting nutrients. They're high in fiber, low in fat, and rich in protein, especially plant-based protein. Beans also provide B vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, and phosphorus. These help fuel your workouts, support recovery, and encourage steady growth. Whether it's black beans, kidney beans, or pinto beans, all of them are great for strength. Plus, they're good for long-term health and help reduce the risk of chronic disease. Peanuts are loaded with protein, healthy fats, and carbs, a perfect mix for energy and growth. A half cup of peanuts has around 400 to 500 calories, which is ideal if you're trying to bulk up. They're energy-dense and great for high-calorie snacking. Peanuts also contain leucine, a key amino acid that helps trigger muscle growth. Among plant foods, peanuts have one of the highest leucine levels. This makes them very effective in supporting protein synthesis and recovery. Spinach NSPI is rich in glutamine, an amino acid that supports lean muscle development. Glutamine is one of the most abundant amino acids in the body and plays a key role in muscle repair. It's especially helpful when lifting heavy weights. Spinach is also packed with iron and calcium, which helps support strong bones and muscle function. It's a simple but powerful green to add to your meals if your goal is strength and performance. So, which of these 12 muscle-building foods do you eat most often? Let us know in the comments below. So, if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Daily Rep, hit that like button, and turn on the notifications, because we're just getting started. Stay connected with us for more real, honest, and powerful tips to transform your body and mind the healthy way. Don't just watch others change. Become your own success story. See you in the next one.